I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing in and getting core services running. Start with your Microsoft account. It syncs settings, OneDrive, and the store. Once signed in, open Settings and run Windows Update to fetch critical fixes and drivers. Make sure your PC has TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot active in BIOS so features like BitLocker and Windows Hello work reliably. After updates complete, restart and keep your device plugged in. This prevents interruptions and ensures the system is ready for the next steps. Now you'll shape how Windows works for you. Open Settings to customize Start and Taskbar so your most used apps are one click away. Pick a light or dark theme and adjust contrast. Next, learn snap layouts and virtual desktops to keep Windows organized. Drag or press Win plus arrow keys to snap. Install essential apps from the Microsoft Store or use Widget for power installs. Then set default apps and fine-tune privacy permissions so your data sharing matches your comfort level. To finish, protect your work and verify stability. Turn on OneDrive or file history for continuous backups and create a system restore point so you can roll back changes. Check Device Manager and update drivers, enable BitLocker for full disk encryption, and run Windows security scans to confirm health. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot to safe mode or run settings troubleshoot to isolate issues. If that fails, use the Reset PC option. It preserves your files when you choose the right reset pathway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.